So yeah, I am saying goodbye to my hostel, Waikiki Beachside Hostel. So excellent hostel. So now it is 6:20 p.m. almost like 6:20. So my flight is at 10:10. So now I am going to bus stop to catch bus number. This is the reception. Bus number 4020 to go to airport. So it will take 1 hour 15 minutes. So long journey. So many bus stops to cover it because it's a public bus. So I am going towards bus stop. My bus stop is only 300-400 meters. So very convenient. Beach is very close. Bus stop is very close. So I am waiting here at the bus stop, waiting for the bus number 20. So it might come any time. So it will come from this side. So and it will go to that side. Finally I got into the bus at 7 o'clock. So it will take 1 hour from here. So 1 hour 10 minutes. So I will be fine. I will reach around 8:15. So still I got down from this bus after 1 hour traveling for 1 hour 10 minutes. So now I have to go to departures. This is Terminal 2 United Departures. This is the last stop for this bus because United is here. United. This is Terminal 2 of Honolulu International Airport. Check-in for Delta, Southwest, American. So I have to look for United because my flight is United. So Phoenix. So these are all American. Southwest, Delta. Yeah, you can see the board, beautiful board. So I came to United check-in. So I have to do self-check-in, self-service. So because I don't have any check-in baggage, I have only hand baggage. So I am doing completed self-check-in. I got seat. So boarding pass sent to my email. I have checked. I have received it in my email. I have taken a screenshot. Now I am going to security check. I have completed security check. So now it is 8:55. Boarding starts at 9:15 p.m. So just I have to take my dinner. So my gate is D1. So all A, B, C, D gates are in the same direction. So security check was almost, it took like 30-45 minutes. So I thought it will be done in 10-15 minutes, but we never know. There was a big queue, so it took time. So this is Honolulu Airport. So now I am going like domestic. This is Terminal 2. So there is a Burger King. So I will try to have some onion rings or anything for dinner because I am not sure. I don't think they will provide in the flight because it is I think domestic low cost. So yeah. I am going towards D1. Gate D1. Gate D1 is here. So I will just check if I can eat something here. D1. This is my flight going to SFO San Francisco, Terminal 3. So it is United Boeing 777. So departing from D1, gate D1. So it will depart at 10:10 p.m. Now it is 9:10 p.m. Ordered large onion rings here. It is 6:25. So I am waiting for my onion rings. So this is the dinner for tonight because all others are not good. This is the only one which is looking good. Boarding area. So group 1 people are boarding now. My is group 4 seat. My seat is 36B. This is business class. So I am in 17th row. 18th, I have to go till 36. I just arrived in San Francisco. So So it is 5:45 a.m. on 10th of April. So I have to take BART train now to go to Dublin. This is San Francisco Airport. Most beautiful city and most beautiful airport. One of my favorite cities. Arrived in San Francisco. You can see different departures. It's mainly United Terminal, so it's Terminal 3. So you can see all departures from this. Very busy, very busy. Today is Thursday, April 10th, 5:53 a.m. I've just landed 10 minutes back from Honolulu. HNL, this is SFO, San Francisco. San Francisco Airport. Inside the restaurants are already closed. People having coffee, tea, breakfast and everything. So flights are already started, have already started going to different cities within the US. I am going towards exit and baggage claim. So as I don't have any bag, just have to exit and take BART train. So it shows 1 hour 25 minutes to Dublin. So I have to take Clipper card and I think I have to change line. So blue and red line. So let me see how it goes. So it's a long way. So no problem, it is only 6:15 a.m. So I can reach home by 8 a.m. Just I came out of this airport, Terminal 3, just to record this video. You can see this is San Francisco. So this is the first place which I came to US in the year 2021, San Francisco Airport. So but now I am going inside and I want to take BART train. So this is the airport area. Looks very cool, very busy. So I'm decided to take this air train. So using air train, I will go to BART station first, and then from BART station I will take train to Dublin. So this is the Terminal 2 departure plan. So you can see BART trains via air train up to level 3. So where I have to go. So first is I have to take air train to go to Terminal 2 departure. You can see mostly United Airlines, Southwest Airlines, so Air Canada, all are in terminal. You can see air train, all terminals, rental cars, BART trains, Grand Hyatt and SFO. So I have to take this air train to go to BART trains. Someone told me that information center, so I have to take train till G, International G. So then from there I can take BART train. So the long walk clearly displayed. So I have to take air train blue line because I have to go to BART. So red line goes to Terminal 1, DC gates, International A gates, Grand Hyatt, Garage A. So I have to take this blue line. Blue line is already coming. So I have to take this one. We are at Terminal 2. Looks like this is automatic. So
Next flight is Terminal 3, E and F gates, United and United Express.
Somewhere the train is coming. It's a red line. So this is blue line.
Please hold on. We'll take Terminal 3, E Please make sure you have all your personal
Terminal
belongings and watch your step as you exit the train. For passengers with cargo luggage, please use one of the doors located at either end of the station platform.